Drinking watermelon juice every day can offer several health benefits due to its rich nutrient content. Here are some potential effects on your body. Hydration. Watermelon juice is mostly water, aiding in keeping your body hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Vitamins and minerals. Watermelon juice contains vitamins A, C, and B6, along with minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients support immune function, eye health, and nerve function. Antioxidants. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health. The presence of lycopene in watermelon has been associated with heart health benefits, such as lowering cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Muscle recovery. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that may help reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise recovery. Digestive health. The high water and fiber content in watermelon may aid in digestion and prevent constipation. Sugar content. While natural, watermelon juice contains sugars, and consuming it in large quantities could spike blood sugar levels. Moderation is crucial, especially for individuals with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake. Caloric intake. Watermelon juice, despite being nutritious, can contribute to your daily calorie intake. If you're mindful of your overall calorie consumption, it's important to factor in the calories from the juice. Digestive issues. For some individuals, particularly those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or sensitive digestive systems, drinking too much watermelon juice might cause bloating or gastrointestinal discomfort due to its high FODMAP, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols content. Dental health. Fruit juices, including watermelon juice, contain natural sugars that could potentially contribute to dental issues like cavities if consumed excessively and not followed by proper oral hygiene. Allergies or sensitivities. Some people might be allergic or sensitive to certain components in watermelon. It's essential to monitor your body's response when incorporating any new food or drink into your daily routine. Interactions with medications. Watermelon might interact with certain medications, especially those for blood pressure or diabetes. Consulting a healthcare professional is advisable if you're on medication and considering regular consumption of watermelon juice. Freshness and quality. Opt for freshly squeezed or homemade watermelon juice whenever possible. Pre-packaged or processed juices might contain added sugars, preservatives, or have a reduced nutrient content due to processing.